You don't want to seesaw back and forth. You don't want to shift and walk around too much. If you do want to move the stage, which of course we encourage you to use the stage, walk deliberately, kind of keep yourself towards the front, stop, plant yourself firmly, keep going. What I want you to do is feel into your body and feel into your heart. It's that heart-to-heart connection that you're making with each person in your audience that's going to give them that message that they need to hear, whether they take your message and act on it that day, or they act on it a month later, or a year later, or 10 years later.
Speaking isn't just about speaking for speaking's sake. You have a purpose, right? You are building your presence as a thought leader. You're building your presence in leadership, whatever the role is that you have, you're building your presence. Brag about yourself. Talk about yourself as a thought leader. Talk about yourself as a speaker. Tell people what your credentials are. Tell people what your superpower is.